graduate of Bachelor of Science in Computer at the Philippine Christian University. Aside from being a church commentator, he is also an event organizer, social worker, speaker, and a founder of Tulong Tulong sa Pagtulong through his YouTube channel and FB page, Carl Talk on TV. At present, he is a country business development manager of the brands Hawker Chan and Yao Yao and Marketer. Alam niyo ba yung Yao Yao? Masarap. Dear parents, students, ladies and gentlemen, let's all welcome our guest speaker for today's event, Mr. Carlo S. Villanueva. A big round of applause.
Thank you, Ma'am Nessie, for the wonderful introduction. Good morning, and how's everyone doing today? Kids, kamusta kayo? Okay lang po. Gutom na? Opo. Okay, may I request the movers or the graduates to please stand up and take a look at your parents. Wave your hand, and please give your parents a round of applause. Congratulations, dear parents of our graduate. Okay, thank you kids. You may take a seat. Friends, faculty and staff of St. Judeo Learning Center, to our school principal, Teacher Nessie Pineda, family and graduating class or movers of 2024, a pleasant morning to all of you. My name is Kuya Carlo Villanueva, and I came here to address you in the best way I know. I am deeply honored and overwhelmed to be your recognition speaker today. But I am very nervous and excited because I have a big role or challenge to inspire our movers and our dear parents. So why not? Let's accept the challenge. Attending graduation brings me back to school days. I can still imagine myself standing proud with my parents, thinking that they are too or proud of me as well. So tulad ng mga movers natin ngayon, and parents, yan. Mas excited yung mga parents, di ba? For the graduation ceremony. And thank you, Ma'am Nessie Pineda, for this opportunity of inspiring your graduate or movers of St. Judeo Learning Center. Para sa ating mga kabataan, for the kids, or should I say the movers, after this ceremony, these kids, or you kids, will then be a level higher. This year's theme is all about kabataan and katatagan. Ano nga ba ang katatagan? In English, stability, furious, or strong will. Ito ay ang kalakasan ng loob na gawin ang gusto nating gawin o gusto ninyong gawin. Do not fear. Huwag kayong matakot na sumubok gawin ang mga bagay o ang isang bagay sa takot na baka kayo ay magkamali. Okay lang na magkamali. Dahil sa mga pagkakamali na yan, diyan natin malalaman kung ano ang tama at paano ang maging tama. To all the parents, please do not pressure our child to be the best. There will always somebody better than our kids at some point. But more important than being the best is just doing their best. Just do their best, their personal best, and that's enough. Do not compare our child against the others, because our child or our children has different attitude and skills. These past years, we had a terrible situation which almost made us hit the bottom. But we were able to stand up, add rise to where we are today. That is because we adults are fearless. We took no chance to let adversities pull us down. We adults should be role models for these children to emulate. The home and the school, or the St. Julian Learning Center, are together in raising strong-willed, furious youth. And I believe that we can grow good-natured youths in this chaotic world. Hindi lamang ang kabataan ang pag-asa ng bayan, kundi ang kabataan ang may-ari ng ating kinabukasan. While it's true that the children are tomorrow's future, but their future still lies on us adults of today. We must teach them to be self-reliant and steadfast, for we need strongly principled, decisive future leaders. As what our team shouts a message, kabataan, Pilipino para sa matatag na kinabukasan ng bagong Pilipinas. To our parents, congratulations, you did a good job. And to our graduates, congratulations, this is your day. Palakpakan naman natin ang ating mga graduates. And again, thank you very much. See you all next year in St. Julian Learning Center. Ang kabataan Pilipino para sa matatag na kinabukasan ng bagong Pilipinas. Maraming salamat po.
Villanueva as a guest speaker in the St. Julian Learning Center's graduation and recognition for the school year 2023-2024. Given the second day of June 2024, signed by yours truly, Nesimova Susim Pineda.
A big hand to Miss Nessie and Sir Carlo.